Hello again, everybody, and this is probably my 50th episode. Probably, I don't know. So, welcome, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, let's do assault. I said so on the second video that I love the assault because it chooses randomly a god for you, and I hope it chooses a god that I doesn't suck. I hope so, because I suck a lot at Kali. My god, you saw it for your own eyes. If not, you can always see it. It's like on YouTube, you know. My god, I'm just so bad at Kali. I was good before the patch. But her tiered ability just heals her instantly to max health. Who did I pick? Bacchus. Actually, I'm not bad at with Bacchus. I will try to make him offensive though. Should I? Or should I make him defensive? Like I always do. Let's see. We got a healer? No. Do they got a healer? No. Hercules can heal himself though. That sucks. Sun Wukong can too. With his ultimate, you know. And we both got Nate and Emir. Oh no. Well, I think I will get tank just because of Emir. Honestly, Emir is such a dick. I just hate him so much. His stun lasts for so much time. It's ridiculous. Makes him like the most asshole of all. Not asshole as Sobek though. Sobek can fuck you so easily by pushing you into your enemies, into your foes. The good thing about Assault 2 is because you start with more amount of money. I like it. And with your ultimate, it's really cool. Humbats and no, not Humbats. Emir needs to load. Wolf Forest. What a weird name. Waka Flocka. I like this name. Waka Flocka. What the actual fuck? I just don't know. Oh, it loaded. I think I will make defensive. Yes. Oh no. His 20% crowd control reduction is really good. But the 5% damage too. Oh, he's so mana hungry, if I remember. We just buy a lot of fucking potions everywhere. And next one I will buy the bracelet of replenishment. I think that's how you spell it. And yes, well, yes, we only got 3 people against 5. I hope they connect because honestly, we can't win. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's impossible, but we can't. And now that I just realized the game is. It's just whatchamacallit, it's just so better. Just better running right now. So better. Let's just get drunk. It's time to get drunk. Yeah, Nate is back. Wish Emir was back too. Now because I say the game was running okay and the fucking game just started lagging up. I need to eat some potion. A potion. Go, monkey, go! Fuck! Get drunk, bitch! Get drunk, get drunk. Where's my friends? Oh, you little bitch. Drink that juice. Drink that juice. Oh no, I got no ways of healing myself. I'm dead. I'm dead, but I made them drunk. Yeah. They got drunk. They got drunk. Ooh, that was actually a good one. Stun! Ah. That didn't do anything. Fuck it, let's get drunk. Let's get a party going started, get the party going starting. Oh no, oh no. That rape. He still lives though. He or she? She. Oh, he. What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm just dying so much. I think we will focus on defense because we got no tanks whatsoever. Son of a guy, it's probably the next thing I will buy. No, it's the bracelet, I said it. But next thing will be, after the bracelet of course, will be the, oh my god, kill him, kill him. Fuck you! You bitch! Oh no, if I had an, oh my god, the opportunity. Oh no, I can get him so easily if I just jump on him and use my rest. I'm going to do it. Rambo mode! I'm dead. Bye! Oh, I live! I live! I have no idea how. I just look, I guess. Good thing they don't have a healer. Because that would be like such a waste. And wait, they have nade. I should be careful. I don't know why they would kill the tank. Why would she aim at the tank? That's what I try to say. But when I try to speak words, they don't come out the way I want it. But futurely, is that even a word? They will. Die, infidels! Let me punch your booty! Come here, I want your booty! Crap. No booty for me. Ah, I'm out of mana again, really? Fuck. Bacchus, stop drinking all my mana. You know, he hit me? Who she wants to kill? I don't know. Didn't work. Fuck you, Emir. Wow! Actually scared me. Oh my god, I can just so kill him. Fuck you! I'm drunk! You don't have an excuse. Ah, that was so good. Oh fuck, he's mad, bro. Oh, mad, bro. He's mad. He's mad. Oh no. Athena is coming. You. Fuck you, Emir. No, Emir. You fucker. You bitch. 3 seconds for my meditation. Yeah, mana, yeah. Wow, that was a big rock. Rocka. Haha! You didn't expect that, did you? Fatty. Look who is saying. Oh no. I'm just surprised I didn't die already. I didn't, right? I did. Well, I know I have a lot of HP, but still, I'm surprised. Oh my god. Don't fuck me, game. Don't fuck me. Ooh, good run. Oh no, she's going to hit me, right? No, she's going to hit one of those fuckers. Wow. No. Ah, fuck. I couldn't get in the time. Sorry. Sanu Kong. Forgive me, master of all the transformations. Get stunned, bitch. Oh no. I want to die, but not that way. Last potion. If I jump in with my second one and use my ultimate, that would probably be good. I just go there. Not mana though. The radius is quite big. Yep, I need it. No! Ah, you... She's dead. I dead, but she's dead. So that's good. Okay, I should make some cooldown. So breastplate of valor is really good, but let me see about the bracelet. Of the replenishment, so I can help everybody. Help buddy, everybody. Help everybody, everybody. Yeah. I don't find the polynomial really good for him though. Almost enough for the second phase. Let's go! Let's get drunk, people! Let's get high! Oh yeah. Let's go, Nate! Let's murder everybody with my beer! It's booze time! Oh, you fucking bitch. Haha! Vengeance! Karma! That's called karma. Wow. I'm surprised he tried to run. He did. How he didn't dead, I'm actually surprised. Oh, I can kill them so easily now. You know? Get drunk, people, get drunk! Party, party hard, party, party, party hard. Party, party hard, party, party hard. Party, party hard, party, party hard. Oh, surprised he take the kill. I thought I would steal the kill. Oh, alright. Why not? Oh, you bitch. Oh, that rock. Crap, crap, crap. That rock. Run! Run, comrades! Run for your freedom! Wow. That Mir got raped! Fuck you, Athena. You think you are the best, but you suck balls. She dead. Wow, I took the kill. I'm surprised. Hey, I'm doing good as Bacchus. Bacchus is really cool. Oh no, Soul Kang is dead. Wow. Well, at least she used her ultimate. Get drunk, people! And run away! Run away! She could explode that with, but she didn't. Don't stun me, don't stun me. Fuck you, bitch! Didn't expect that, did you? And get drunk, Ymir, I hate you. He's running. He's running after me like crazy. Gazilla. That was a waste. I don't care. Oh my god, I can just so kill him. I'm going to wait for my third ability though. Oh no. Run! Oh no. Oh no, please run, please. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no, I hate Ymir. Go die in hell, Ymir. Fuck you, Ymir, I'm going to beat your booty. Give some of that booty. Wow, best way to dodge a rock is just jump over it. Oh my god. Monkey! Kill big eye sting. Which is the mirror first. Oh no! Out of mana at the worst possible time. Oh my god, if I get there. I'm gonna wait for my ultimate. Party hard, party hard. This bracelet is really good. I hope. No! Hey, it didn't work. Good. What the fuck are you doing, Athena? You're going to die, Athena. Oh, he take my kill. But I'm like a tank, so I don't need kills, you know. Ooh, finally I can shoot things faster now. Ah, I need a Stone of Gaia. Stone of Gaia. That's like essential for me because it gives magical protection, life regen, mana regen, and regen more HP for less, you know, huge HP regen. It's good. Ooh, I can get the last one. Oh, that's so good. Now I'm a tank. I am a tank. And we actually reaching us with just four guys, which is quite impressive. Normally that will be the other way. I guess we're just playing good. And Nate's probably wrecking us. Let me see. Yep, that's great. That Nate is wrecking all the asses. Let's get salvation and a lot of this one. Go! I wanna fight. There you go. Oh no. Oh no, they are dying. That's bad. No! I'm going to be the last one alive, and that's not good because I'm not a really good defender. Bacchus might be, but not me. I don't know how to defend. Oh no, they are mad. Wow. Alright. Retreat! Run, fatty! Run! Oh my god, they are right on my tail. Yeah, good one, monkey. I think I will just go batshit crazy on that monkey. No, he's not. What the fuck, Athena? I'm like a tank. What the fuck? Yeah, beat that ass. Beat that ass. Beat that ass. Wow, that was such a snipe. Ninja. Get fucked by the fatty. Ymir still lives. Fucking bro. Oh no. At least he didn't hit most of us. That's good. So that monkey's just looking at us. I think we should tank it. Yeah, I'm going to tank. Really? They will not attack? They just know it's easy and it's going against them. Oh no, I should stay tanking. Sorry. Sorry, monkey, sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Don't lag, friend. It's not like that bad, actually. It's good. Finally. I think we should fall back. Run, monkey! What are you doing? You crazy fool! She absorbed. Can she absorb ultimates? I wonder. Probably just basic attacks. Cause that will be the most OP shit, man! Oh no. Please, Regine. Fast. Oh, you motherfucking bitch. I think I should just run away.
Retreat!
Yes. Yes, Nate, we will run away. We will run away. I'm just gonna... No, Nate. I said run away. I am on a tank. I can take it. See? I'm taking up the butt. I can take it. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay, oh. Wow, can you please stop stunning me forever? Wow, that was a really good stun. By my part, of course. Let me drink more booze. Wow. I want to get dead monkey so bad. Get some dead booze. He wants to kill me. Pick the birdie girl. Fuck you, Athena. Athena. Actually, be surprised if that's how you spell it. Ah, I was going to use my ultimate at that time. What? I use it automatically. Okay. Yeah, steal my kill. Why not? Let you heal, everybody. Good old heal. And let's murder the Minotaur. Minotaur. Wow, that was fast. I will tank this bitch up. Murder the Minotaur. Please. Oh my god, I'm dying. I didn't see that. Minotaur just murdered my ass. And we won. Good game, brother. That was a good game. I actually went with a god that actually know how to play. Ah, oh, yes, Nate. That's a good point. We don't have one teammate, and you guys lost. Bunch of scrubs. Here. GG, bitch. You know, if you like the video... Oh no. If you like the video, please comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you later.